Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, providing protection from the elements and contributing to your home's overall integrity. Over time, wear and tear from weather conditions and age can cause significant damage to your roof. If you're living in Madison Heights, Michigan, it's crucial to keep an eye out for signs that it might be time for a roof replacement. Recognizing these warning signs early can help you avoid costly repairs down the road and ensure the safety and comfort of your home. Here's what you should look out for. Age of your roof. The first indicator that it might be time for a roof replacement is the age of your roof. Most asphalt shingle roofs last between 20 to 25 years. If your roof is approaching this age, it's wise to schedule an inspection. Older roofs are more susceptible to wear and tear, leaks, and other issues. Even if the roof appears fine on the surface, underlying issues may be developing, so it's better to get ahead of potential problems. Missing or damaged shingles. One of the easiest signs to spot is missing or damaged shingles. If your roof has missing shingles or shingles that are curled, cracked, or blistered, it's a clear indication that your roof is deteriorating. Shingles serve as the first line of defense against rain, snow, and wind, and when they are damaged, your roof becomes vulnerable to leaks. If you notice several damaged shingles, it could be a sign that your roof is reaching the end of its life. Granules in the gutters. Check your gutters for granules. Asphalt shingles have a layer of granules that help protect them from UV rays and other elements. If you see an excessive amount of granules in your gutters, it means your shingles are deteriorating and losing their protective coating. This is a common sign of aging shingles, and it can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. Water stains on the ceiling. If you notice water stains on your ceiling or walls, it's a clear indication that your roof may have a leak. Water leaks can occur for various reasons, including cracked or damaged shingles, flashing issues, or worn-out seals around vents and chimneys. Left untreated, roof leaks can lead to more serious issues, such as mold growth, wood rot, and structural damage. If you spot any signs of water infiltration, it's important to address the issue as soon as possible. Sagging roof deck. A sagging roof deck is one of the most serious signs that a roof replacement is needed. If you notice areas of your roof that appear to be sagging or dipping, it's often due to structural damage or moisture accumulation. This could be a sign of serious damage to the roof's support system, which can lead to a collapse if not dealt with quickly. In Madison Heights, where heavy snowfalls are common during the winter months, the weight of accumulated snow can cause a roof to sag or collapse, so addressing this issue immediately is crucial. High energy bills. If your energy bills have been rising without any clear explanation, your roof could be the culprit. A damaged or aging roof may allow heat or air conditioning to escape, causing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. If your roof isn't properly insulated or sealed, it could be causing energy inefficiency, leading to higher utility bills. A new roof can help improve insulation and energy efficiency, lowering your monthly costs. Visible light in the attic. Another sign that your roof may need replacing is visible light coming through the roof into your attic. If you can see sunlight streaming through the roof boards, this indicates gaps or holes that allow outside elements to enter your home. Not only does this compromise the protection your roof offers, but it can also lead to moisture infiltration, which can result in mold and mildew growth. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself repeatedly paying for roof repairs, it may be more cost-effective in the long run to invest in a complete roof replacement. Continuous repairs can add up, and with a new roof, you can avoid the ongoing maintenance costs and potential risks associated with an aging roof. A new roof provides long-term peace of mind and ensures that you won't need to worry about costly fixes in the near future. Conclusion. A roof replacement is a significant investment, but it's essential to ensure the safety and comfort of your home in Madison Heights. Keeping an eye out for the signs mentioned above, such as missing shingles, water stains, or a sagging roof, can help you make informed decisions about when to replace your roof. Regular inspections by a professional roofing contractor are crucial for identifying issues before they turn into major problems. If you're experiencing any of these signs, don't wait too long to address them. A timely roof replacement can save you money, enhance your home's curb appeal, and provide peace of mind for years to come.